Hi friends, this is Ramaa from Ramaa Dazzlers. In today's video, I wanted to share about the benefits of Linga Mudra. This mudra increases body heat since it reinforces the fire element. Linga is the Sanskrit term for phallus, the male genital organ. Sit down on a yoga mat in the lotus pose Padmasana or in a comfortable position. Also can close your eyes. Linga Mudra is formed by interlocking the palms and fingers, but keeping the left thumb erect, vertically straight, pointing upward. Encircle the left thumb with the thumb and index finger of the right hand. Press your hands on your navel and hold this position. Focus your mind on your erect thumb. This mudra is recommended to practice for 5 to 15 minutes per day. Even can split up and do this mudra 3 times in a day for 5 minutes. This mudra can be practiced at any time and anywhere. Key benefits of this mudra: helps the sexual force, increases body temperature, so useful in cold, helps to reduce weight, cures severe cold and many bronchial respiratory diseases. This mudra is beneficial for cold and cough, bronchial diseases, sexual reproduction and obesity. Caution: this mudra is not to be performed for a longer period. It should be performed only when needed. Overuse of Linga Mudra may aggravate the Pitta humor within the body, causing sluggishness and lethargy. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel.